Hey, what's up followers? Dave here from CNC3D. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about probably one of the more sort of hidden features within our CNC3D Commander software. So we've just got our Commander window open here, and we're just going to click on the settings button. Now you'll notice here on the general tab, you have these jogging button overrides, and there's this little explanation of what it actually does. And basically what it is I've set up the ability for you to be able to very quickly and easily adjust your jogging distance. For example, when you're trying to say, for example, set up your Z, or if you're trying to approach the corner of something, you can basically use these key overrides in order to dynamically change the distance that you're actually clicking on. So for example, when Control is held, you can temporarily set the distance to 0.1. When Alt is held, you can set it to 1 mil, or when Shift is held, you can set it to 10. Now, you can choose to actually program these values as well and make them anything that you would like. So we're just going to leave this as the actual default values here. So we'll just go Update. Now, let's just go and connect up to our actual controller. So we've just got one of our test bench Nighthawk controllers here, and as you can see, the distance over this side is currently set to 100 mil. Now if I hold down the Shift key and I say, for example, go to Y+, now I'm just holding down the actual mouse button on here, you can see that it's automatically changed that number to 10, and if I let it go, then it will actually move 10 mil. And of course, we can do the same thing by holding the Alt button, and we can do that on X here, and you can see that it's changed it to 1. Now, this can happen very quickly. So, for example, it's still 100 there. I'm just going to hold down this button, and very quickly, you can see I'm going through, and it's dynamically changing those values. Now, let's say, for example, that you're trying to lower down your Z. Now at the moment, the Z value is currently set to 10 mil. So you can basically go through and obviously choose to lower down your Z by 10 mil. As you start getting a little bit closer towards your actual surface of your stock, you can then go ahead and hold down these buttons and it will actually override it. So I'm just holding down the Alt key now, which is doing 1 mil jogs. And then when you start getting a lot closer, you can hold the Control key and it will change that distance to 0.1. Now, hopefully this should make things a little bit easier for you without having to go in here and change these numbers or typing in a number here. And hopefully it's a very handy feature for you guys to use. I hope this video has been helpful, and we hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas and an amazing new year, and we'll catch up in 2024.